Have you ever found yourself in the middle of a household task wondering, why isn't this working? Well, you're not alone. Today, let's uncover some surprising mistakes most of us make, starting with cooking. Have you ever added salt instead of sugar to your dessert? A common mix-up that can easily be avoided by organizing your ingredients beforehand. Moving on to technology, how many times have you searched for a misplaced charger only to find it tangled with cables you never needed in the first place? Pro tip: invest in a simple cable organizer. And for personal finance, ever missed a bill payment due to a misprinted calendar date? Setting up automatic payments can save the day. So, for more practical tips and a touch of humor, hit subscribe and join us on this journey of everyday revelation.